Located in the heart of the National Capital Region, USO Metro has been trusted by our community and our military service members since 1941. We are on a mission to strengthen America's service members by keeping them connected to their family, home, and country. We offer comfort as they travel home or into harm's way, respite as they heal from wounds or recover from illness, and reassurance as they transition back into civilian life. USO Metro operates 10 locations and a mobile USO at airports and military bases across our region. We are so proud to operate the largest USOs in the world, the USO Warrior and Family Centers at Fort Belvoir and Walter Reed Bethesda. Thanks to thousands of dedicated volunteers, USO Metro truly is the force behind the forces. Join USO Metro in supporting our military and their families in the National Capital Region.